What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the water. Today we're going to practice doing K-turns in a very tight marina, giving you confidence that you can turn around in very tight areas without having it freak you out. Practice makes perfect. Let's get after it. Okay, guys, so here we go. Let's start to make our approach on our K-turn practice. As with close quarter slip docking, we want to do our cast method. We always want to do cast when we're in close. So very quickly, sea conditions, water depth. Don't have any worries about water depth. We're going to be in the middle of a marina channel, so we should be good there. Current and wind, there is no current here. We're pretty far away from the inlet, so no worries on current. It's going to be wind. We have about a 10 to 15 gusting higher mile-an-hour wind, so we need to be sure that we keep that in mind. Aim point, we're not going into a slip, so we won't necessarily have an aim point that we're going for, but obviously the goal is to do a 180 and get out of this lagoon. First S is speed. Because there's moderate wind, we need to have moderate speed. That's going to give us enough boat momentum to counter the conditions that we're in. Final S is safety zone. Safety zone is going to be the upwind part of our lagoon. I don't think I mentioned the wind is coming off my starboard beam or my starboard bow part of the boat. So forward right part of the boat or the middle right side of the boat. So here we go. We're going to come up. I like to be a little bit in the middle of the channel, maybe a tad downwind. I'm going to put my bow up into the wind. In this case, it's going to be on the starboard side. So this lagoon is about a boat to a boat and a half. Let me turn the camera so you guys can see the engine. Boat to a boat and a half wide. So we don't have a ton of room, but we have plenty of room. Now, one of the key things is get your bow all the way on the upwind side of the lagoon. Don't make a small lagoon even smaller by not using all of it. So now we're going to go ahead and go forward, turn to starboard. That wind is going to grab my port side of the boat and we're out. It is that simple. Again, that was about a boat and a half's length that we had to turn around. But because we did the cast, we knew exactly what the wind was going to do to us. It is no stress. So let's go ahead. That was bow first. Let's say we're in reverse. Let's do a stern K turn and see how we do here. I'm going to start my stern propulsion here. Engine is in reverse. So again, I want to be in the middle, maybe a little bit downwind in these conditions. Now that wind is grabbing my port bow. You can see how twisted I am. So that means I have to increase my speed a little bit. I don't have enough momentum to counter it. So I'm going to increase speed just a little bit. Back to slow, reverse, neutral, let the boat settle. I'm going to put my stern right on the upwind portion. Don't make a small lagoon smaller. Keep coming, keep coming. Going to steer to starboard here. Nice, forward, come back to port. There we go. We're gonna come out nice and easy. Now the wind is off of my starboard side, the right side. I'm gonna go neutral. I'll let the boat settle a bit and we're out. So again, you can do this practice as you will. Come out on a weekday, not a weekend where you have a lot of people watching you, and just practice doing a K-turn. That's going to give you the confidence that if you're in a tight spot, you can get out of it without having to worry about it. Okay, let's go ahead and let's do one more approach here. We're going to go bow up into the wind. So here we go, we're coming in. We've done our cast already, so we know exactly what the conditions are. We're going to get into the middle, maybe a little bit downwind in the lagoon. We're going to visualize the maneuver we're going to make. I'm going to get my bow all the way up on the windward side of the lagoon. Let me go ahead, sorry, we'll turn you here. Here we go. We're going to go neutral. We have good speed here. I know that the wind is only going to push me from starboard to port. I'm going to go ahead and start my turn, turning to starboard in forward. Very nice. Use the whole lagoon. Don't be afraid to get your bow all the way up on the upwind side. You know that that wind is only going to blow you downwind. You don't have to worry about getting blown up into the props off my bow there. The wind's just going to push us down. And there we go. Now we're out. It's really as simple as that. Again, it's going to give you the confidence that you need that if you get in a tight spot, you can get yourself out. Make sure you practice, go out on a calm day. You'll be happy you did when you need it. If you learned something, let me know. Drop a comment, drop a like. Please subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next one.